Hi folks, it's Ruben from Respshop.com. Who else? Respshop.com is a complete provider of equipment and services related to CPAP therapy. We also inform people about all things CPAP, so remember to like this video and subscribe. One of the reasons our customers love us so much is that we offer a compliance and therapy service that makes many aspects of your CPAP journey much easier. But wait, I hear you say, why haven't we heard about this before? And what is compliance anyway? And what is therapy? And what is, service? Well, maybe you weren't saying the last two of those, but in this quick video, I'm going to explain what compliance is, why it's important, and how we can make the process easier, as well as offer other therapy services. Coming up. Compliance is a term used in CPAP circles as a measure of the rate at which you use your machine and the positive impact that usage has on your sleeping. If you want, you can think of it as an indication of the quantity and quality of your therapy. When you sleep, data is collected about your sleep patterns and usage, and some of this data is compiled into a compliance report. What data? Well, the compliance report is interested in three main things: the number of hours the device is in use, your apnea-hypopnea index or AHI, and your mask leak rate. Your compliance report should be of interest most of all to you, since the whole point of CPAP therapy is ultimately to enable you to sleep better, and that only happens when you use your machine, and the machine does its job properly by helping you sleep well. But it's not only you that is interested in your compliance. Your doctor will want to know that the treatment they have prescribed is working for you, so they will want to see your compliance report as part of their medical care. If your therapy is covered by your insurance company, they will also need to see that the therapy is working for you. In other words, they will want to know whether you are compliant, as this is often a condition of their continued therapy provision. And if you are a commercial driver, the Department of Transport will want to know that you're compliant too for similar reasons. Now, what counts as compliant may vary from insurance company to insurance company, but it typically requires a CPAP machine to be in use for at least 4 hours per night on 80% of the nights in any given date range. That said, compliance is not a matter of either being or not being compliant. CPAP is a therapy that works best when done consistently, so we recommend using your machine every night possible for as long as you sleep. But to qualify for your continued cover, this is the typical minimum level expected. So then, there may be a few people that need to see your compliance report, and this is where we come in and make things easy. If you are using certain machines for your therapy, we can provide compliance reporting on your behalf to those other interested parties, so you don't have to try to do anything techie or worry about missing a report deadline. But our service is about more than just ticking boxes. We also pair you up with one of our registered sleep therapists. They will take a regular look at your data, talk you through the important bits of it, and provide you with some actionable insights for improving your compliance and so thereby improving your sleep. And even outside these consultation sessions, your therapist will be available by phone or email for any questions you might have about your therapy. Also, under this service, we have remote access to your CPAP device, and so can make changes to your settings and therapy, whether based on your doctor's prescription changes or to improve your comfort and therapy results based on your data. This means we can work together to get things set up properly for your needs, and you don't have to worry about pressing the wrong button and messing up your therapy. All in all, this service means we can keep everyone informed about your therapy, including you. Make suggestions for improving your therapy, and even go ahead and make settings changes to your device to make sure your therapy improves. All you need to do is get back to sleeping, and we take care of the rest. You can find more information about this great service on our website, and if you haven't already, it would be a great help if you could click like and subscribe. Well, thanks everybody, and until next time, sleep tight. Bye-bye.